Jai Jhulelal Aunty. Aunty, what are the ingredients for the khashkash ka sira?
खसखस है सीरे का खसखस
Hey, 1 cup khashkash.
1 cup
It
खसखस
is grinded in the sugar in the mixie.
yes dry
So
grind not
dry.
soaked
It is dry grinded.
and sugar 1 cup
Sugar.
same as khashkhas and 3 tablespoons of ghee
Okay.
and badam you want you can just cut into fine pieces and put or you can just soak it in hot water remove the peel and put it's your optional however you all want to do.
Okay. So these are the and milk, aunty, how
Milk
much?
is 3/4 liter.
Okay. If this is a 1 cup of
Yeah.
khashkash, then with that 3/4 liter milk is enough.
Yes.
So this khashkash we have not soaked in the night. We have
No.
just taken out in the morning
Yeah.
and dry grinded it in the mixie.
Just dry ground it, yeah.
Okay. We are boiling the milk.
We are boiling the milk till then.
Till then
Till we saw the
aunty, we are putting the ghee.
Yeah.
It should melt.
yeah okay.
Okay. हिना घी में पो खशखश
खसखस इसी तरह भून लो.
So it should be in the same flame only.
No, you can keep it on.
You can increase the flame
Yeah.
and then
Keep sauteing
how long you have to bhuna fry?
till it is golden brown.
So I am doing in a non-stick pan जो कि बी पे बाटी में तरो लगा होता है.
Yes.
So it's better to do in non-stick only.
This is especially for ekadasi, so you should not add cardamom. Otherwise, you can add cardamom powder.
Okay.
For ekadasi, you cannot eat cardamom.
Yeah. Kesar we can add after. As the milk is boiling, I can put kesar in there.
That's optional. Kesar is earlier you should soak it for some time and then grind the khashkhas, and that is difficult to like saute it. It
So
keeps
that
sticking.
सॼो वॾो procedure थींदो आहे सॼी राति you have to soak and keep.
This is instant like
Okay, instant sira it is.
yeah.
हाणे खशखश या फुंडे थी
No, let
घी
it
में.
become golden brown.
It has to go, but this is this happens like this.
When it's getting brown, be careful. It should not turn it black, very darkish.
So I'll reduce the flame for some time. And this one milk is still
No, don't take it here.
the badamis are boiled and
Blanch.
you are peeling it and cutting it to the tiny pieces.
I won't.
These badamis are boiled and peeled into long pieces and mixed in the khashkash, and it should be bunafai with khashkash. Correct? So हिना के घरी हिना की थोड़ी बादाम में भी खशखश सा भून जाए. In the high flame only. As khashkash is already turning brown, it's almost nice brown color is come.
Now we'll add milk to it.
इतरो बस
Yes. Be careful. When you are adding milk,
Okay. Full have to add.
and keep the rest for boiling.
खीर है ना थोड़ो विजय बस थोड़ो रखियो.
रखे हो थोड़ा पासे रखे.
Then if you require, you will add more
Yeah.
milk. So this should be done in again high flame only.
Yeah, no, keep it up on sim.
This should be the same
And then
flame.
you should condense it.
Hey, ekadasi jo siro here. So there'll be no flavors in that. Just khashkhas jo flavor ido.
Yes.
So this should be in the same flame.
Yeah.
Now let it.
I'm sorry.
milk is this kashkash is there already. The milk is dried up. Shall I add this milk also, which is there?
Yeah, you can add.
Full I'll add of.
Yes.
And still is going on in same flame only.
Then you can increase it.
Will show that we have grated and kept.
Don't.
This
This
is
milk has to be thickened.
this milk has to be thickened in this. So we have to leave in the same flame for some time.
Yeah.
By the time we can start preparing for aloo ki sabji.
Aloo ki sabji for Ekadasi. And the ingredients are aloo, green chili, lotus stem, raw mango, pepper and salt. In case lotus stem is not available, it is okay.
This
And-
lotus stem I have peeled it and boiled it. Correct?
And I need kuttu ka flour. You have
This kuttu ka atta. This atta is available on Shivananda stores in Bangalore. It's called kuttu ka atta.
kuttu ka.
Kuttu ka atta.
It is. I'm using it to thicken the gravy.
Oh. We can use any other atta if the kuttu ka atta is not available.
Yeah.
This much.
Yes, enough.
I have to put 1 tablespoon of oil.
Yeah.
And in that
Add this atta.
I'll add atta. इनके एक तेल में भून रहा हूँ खाली घुमरो डाल हाँ
Then you add everything, all of lotus
Everything.
stem, aloo and green chili.
okay this is 1 green chili which okay
Green chili is optional. If you want to add, you can add. You can add according to your taste more also. Then you can add this mango grated.
grated mango and salt and black pepper.
Yes. If mango is not available, you can add amchur powder. Just stir for 2 minutes. Add water and just cook it.
1 glass. This is a kacha aloo, so it will take 1 whistle for cooking.
A little more. First, and just give 2 whistles. This is to be eaten Ekadasi only. So you shouldn't add jeera, anything.
There should be no jeera or any dry masalas and
Nothing.
only black pepper and salt.
Black pepper, green chili.
Still the
Just remove the sides.
Sira is getting thickened on the side here. The sides have to be removed.
3, 2, 1.
The cooker already 2 whistles have come and Sira is also getting bona fide. By that time we'll start preparing for
Tikkis.
tikkis. So this is
This is
Ekadasi ka tikki.
This
So
is made from banana, raw banana, which is boiled, and aloo.
this is a raw banana which is boiled as it is.
The skin you boil and then you remove the skin and you have to grate it. Mash it with the aloo.
There are
Add
2
green-
aloos and 1 banana. Aunty.
Yeah, 1 banana. And 1 green chili. And
These
this
are the
is,
sabudana.
This is sabudana powder ground into a mixie.
It's around half a cup.
No, 2 tablespoons. And
Okay.
I'm going to add amchur here
Okay.
and then the sabudana powder.
Okay.
In case you don't have sabudana powder, you can have sabudana powder I'm adding because it's a binder when you're frying the tikkis.
Okay.
It will bind the thing, it will not break. And you simultaneously you can do it on tawa as shallow fry.
Okay. You can deep fry and shallow fry both
Yeah,
of these.
yeah.
This is again kuttu
This
ka atta.
sabudana is necessary when you're deep frying. I'm adding a little bit of Kutuk atta also.
Okay.
And salt for taste.
By the time tikki and this in the cooker, the whistle is coming and the tikki ka dough is getting ready. Tikki ka dough is getting ready for sabudana tikki. This is a aloo ka tikki.
Aloo and raw banana.
Raw banana ka tikki is getting ready. Here we can see the sira is also got dried up. The milk is fully dried in this.
The milk is evaporated, so you can add sugar. Be careful. Yeah, it starts fluttering here and there.
So it should be in the same flame. As the
Yes.
full procedure is going on in same flame, I should add the sugar now.
Yeah. Yeah, let it be on same.
Again, it should be in the same flame. Khanda pani chalandi na chal.
Yeah, that's what.
It will
that's
become
what.
little watery then. Once I
Just
added
lift it
sugar.
up. You just lift up the. Lift up that serving dressing spoon. Yeah.
I should leave it as it is in the same flame for some time.
Yeah.
By the time the cooker whistle is already become, and we are. Now this tikki can be deep fried also, auntie, and shallow fry also.
Yes.
So
It's optional.
so हे deep fry kayo.
Yeah. First let it all be.
By the time I'll put these tikkis for
Yeah.
tawa is hot. These are the sabudana, kela and aloo ka tikki.
Sabudana aloo kela. Yes. Add oil to it.
By the time sira also is almost ready, nice ghee has come out and the tikki is getting roasted in tawa. And here we can, the same tikkis can be in the different shape and deep fried.
Add oil to it.
Yeah, sira is done. One mushroom almost done. I'm switching off the gas. This oil is also hot. Shall I put for? This is already the tikkis are deep fried like a nice vada shape. You can make it in a medium, sim, high flame.
No, till it does nice golden and crispy, take it off. It's crispy.
It's nice.
You can just 1 more minute.
By the time the tikkis also are getting it done.
Come this side.
These tikkis are getting ready and already the other tikkis are deep fried and ready. By the time we'll start making rajgiri and kuttu ka paratha.
Roti.
Rotis. That is ekadasi ki roti. So
These ingredients is kuttu kata, rajgiri kata, aloo mash, green chili, salt.
this is for
Roti.
roti, ekadasi roti, which we eat with all sabji and all.
Yeah. So I am going to knead it into a dough.
With water,
Yes.
just normal temperature water.
Tell
This atta is ready for the
roti.
rotis.
Yeah. We shall start making the roti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the time even this is ready, this is nicely dry roasted.
You can just take that out and I will give you the roti.
Yeah.
The roti is rolled out. I shall just transfer it into the tawa. Heated tawa. See, you can't lift up the roti with your hand, so you just try to lift it with the help of a dosa spoon and transfer it on the tawa and just let it be there for 2 seconds. Then you can flip it over. Let it get cooked.
This should be in high flame, auntie.
Yeah, for 2 minutes, let it be on high flame. You can either do it this way or you want feel better, you take a rolling spoon, however.
You can do with hand also.
Yeah. Just let it get cooked and you add little oil to it.
Wait, I'll put water.